Let's make some puffed rice poha. Put some oil and some peanuts and let them fry. Have some cut onions, green chilies and curry leaves by the side. Some mustard. Some jeera. Let it fry. If you like, you can put chana dal as well. Let's start adding the green chilies, curry leaves and finally the onions. You can add more onions. We have added about 2 onions. We like the taste of onion more in the puffed rice poha. Add some chopped tomatoes. It gives a nice flavor and color as well. Some turmeric. Mix it well. Some salt for taste. Keep mixing it so that it doesn't become Now add the puffed rice. These puffed rice are put in the water, drained out so that they become softer. Now just add them and completely mix them. Mix it well, and that's it. It will be ready to serve hot. If you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon, support us. Thank you so much.